At the beginning, we just had a look at all the technology that was out there for other industries, for dentistry, and then tested one after the other all the scientific principles that were out there, most really related to cavitation. And this is how OdneClean was developed.
And we started doing basic research into how can we induce cavitation inside a root canal, knowing that cavitation can efficiently clean surfaces. And we wanted to build a device that induces cavitation that is affordable, simple to use, safe, reliable, always works independent of the root canal shape.
We had lasers, we had pressurization machines, and what worked best was this hydrodynamic cavitation, which is currently implemented in OdneClean.
Cavitation is the process to vaporize water very quickly. So you kind of vaporize as you build a bubble, and this collapses. And in the collapse of this bubble, it sends out very strong shock waves, and these shock waves are strong enough to remove biofilm, pulp tissue, and dental debris. The cavitation has been around for some time, but nobody has tried the approach we have. We managed to develop a highly flexible and extremely thin tip. The hydrodynamic cavitation cloud that we create is formed just in front of the tip. And due to the shape and the flexibility of the tip, we are able to go into the root canal and bring this cavitational effect to the places where OdneClean uses only saline solution for the cleaning effect. This is one of the big advantages, and just the mechanical force of the cavitation, but also of the jet that we are using inside the canal allows us to be very efficient. We have the chance to use submarine technology to make some safety features in the device. One of the important things for dentists is the usability. We needed the feedback from dentists to just know what their needs are. Thanks to them, we could improve our features a lot, and we started a clinical trial in Turkey, and I was standing next to the first patient, and I was able to look him into the eyes and see how it reacts to our device. And at the beginning, you're a bit frightened. You never know. It's the first time you use it. But then it turned out great, and the patient didn't have any pain and just stood up afterwards and left the office. And I think that was one of the most exciting moments of my time at Odne.